Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to master the art of brushing teeth. A sparkling smile is just a few minutes away, so grab your toothbrush and let's get started. First things first, you'll need a soft bristled toothbrush and fluoride toothpaste. Let's begin with a pea-sized amount of toothpaste on the brush. Now, hold your brush at a 45-degree angle to your gums and gently brush with short, circular motions. Make sure to cover all surfaces, the outside, inside, and chewing surfaces of each tooth. Take your time with each tooth, spending about 3 to 5 seconds before moving to the next. Don't forget the hard-to-reach back molars and the inner surfaces of your front teeth. After 2 minutes of thorough brushing, spit out the toothpaste. Remember, don't rinse with water immediately. Let the fluoride work its magic a bit longer. And there you have it, a clean and healthy mouth. For best results, brush twice a day and floss daily. Stay tuned for more tips, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more dental health hacks. Keep smiling, and see you next time.